The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Livingston County and central Illinois, eastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:15 p.m., Central Daylight Time. At 4:27 p.m., Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located near Pontiac moving northeast at 55 mph. Hazard AT and PH wind gusts to inch hail, and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Source radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable damage to trees and power lines. Mobile homes may be damaged. Flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Locations impacted include Pontiac, Dwight, Morris, Yorkville, Oswego, Joliet, Bolingbrook, Naperville, Downers Grove, Oak Brook, Chicago Midway Airport, Cicero, Berwyn, Oaklawn, Chicago. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 between mile markers 70 and 145, Interstate 88 between mile markers 90 and 138, Interstate 290 near the western Chicago suburbs, Interstate 90 through portions of Cook County and the Chicago metropolitan area. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 5:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For the warned area, prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Funnel clouds are possible. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Remember, lightning can strike up to 50 miles from the parent thunderstorm. Move into safe shelter now. Do not be caught in the water during a thunderstorm. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Heavy rains from severe thunderstorms can produce sudden flooding of low-lying roadways. Do not attempt to drive through areas where water covers the roadway. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Seek shelter now in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Persons traveling on Interstate 80, Interstate 88, Interstate 290, or Interstate 90 should prepare for rapidly changing weather conditions and dangerous crosswinds.